Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm reviewing the Luna Mini 2 from FOREO, which is really exciting because they're actually partnering with me on today's video. So a huge thank you to FOREO for sponsoring today's video. I think it's so cool that a brand sold at Sephora is partnering with like little old me and my channel. So thank you so much. So let's get straight into what this baby does. So the Luna Mini 2 is an enhanced T-Sonic facial cleansing massager with 8 massage intensities for a customizable spa-like experience. And can we talk about how much I love this? Because I truly believe that skincare should be accessible. And there's nothing really accessible about like a spa or like a, I don't know, like a facialist's office or like an esthetician's office. And so with a product like this, I think it's really unique and really cool and such a disruptor in the beauty industry because you're bringing this spa-like experience to your own bathroom, to your own home multiple times a day. And I think that's really special because you shouldn't have to spend tons and tons of money at a spa or an esthetician's office to get that spa-like experience. You can bring it to your own bathroom. So I've been using the Luna Mini 2 for over a month now. Usually it takes weeks for me to see improvements in my skin when I'm using a new skincare product because that's just the nature of my skin. It takes a while to respond to things, but I can safely say that after using this one time, I saw a significant improvement in the softness of my skin. It cleanses my skin in the most gentle yet effective way, and I think that's something really worth noting. Because in addition to it being gentle, that's great and all, but if you're not effectively cleansing your skin, you're still leaving dirt, bacteria, extra built up skincare products on your skin. And so it's really important that you properly cleanse your skin day and night so that you're removing any excess makeup, any excess skincare products, any excess sebum, oil, bacteria, that kind of thing. So what else is really great about this is that it's small and it's easy to transport. So I actually took it with me on an international trip recently, and I also bring it with me to yoga class. I just pop it in my bag, and then after class, because I hate having like that like sweaty feeling on my face, I like to cleanse my skin after I finish my class. So I go in my little vinyasa class and I sweat it out and I have so much fun. And then when I come out of class and I'm like sweaty and disgusting, I just go in the bathroom and I quickly cleanse my skin using the Luna Mini 2, and it just leaves my skin feeling so refreshed after cleansing. So here's what I really love about this is that in addition to it being gentle, it is ultra hygienic, which I think is so important because you really don't want to worry about bacterial buildup on any sort of cleansing device that you're using. The silicone design of this product actually resists bacterial buildup, so you don't have to worry about any acne or any skin infections that are going to result from using the Luna Mini 2. So cleansing with the Luna Mini 2 for just a minute a day can vastly improve your skin health because you're cleansing your skin in, like I have said like a million times, a gentle yet effective way. And in addition, it actually can improve your mental health just by having a really busy routine, because here's the deal, guys. Self-care does not have to be lighting a candle and taking a bath and listening to music. It can truly be as simple as bringing awareness to everyday actions for your personal health, such as cleansing your skin. Something as simple as cleansing your skin for 1 minute with the Luna Mini 2, I think counts as self-care because you're taking care of your body, you're taking care of your skin, or you're taking care of your mind because you're giving yourself peace of mind knowing I'm taking care of my body, I'm doing everything for myself to live a healthy life. And honestly, it's just so simple and easy to use, like why would you not use this? So now let's get into how you actually use this. So the first thing that I do is I just quickly dampen my face with warm water, and then what I do is I wet the Luna Mini 2 and I apply my favorite cleanser on the Luna Mini 2 directly. And then I turn it on. There's like a nifty little button in the center that I can press to turn on, and you can adjust the massage intensities however you want, and it'll actually start to pulsate. And I think it's worth noting that you never want to cleanse your skin for an excessive amount of time because cleansing itself is actually pretty damaging to the skin barrier. Even if you're using the most gentle surfactants, cleansing your skin is still an inherently damaging action that you're performing on your skin. So you really don't want to be cleansing for like 10 minutes every time you cleanse your skin. You just want to limit it to like 1 minute, quick and simple. And you also want to limit the severity of your cleansing. I know that some of us can be very aggressive face scrubbers, and I am one of those people. I can tend to like really rub my face like very rigorously because I'm like, oh, gotta get my skin clean. But that's really not what you should be doing because that action can actually irritate your skin. It can cause redness. It can also just cause wrinkles over time because you're tugging at your skin constantly. And I feel with the Luna Mini 2 is that you just glide it in circular motions on your skin and it just very gently cleanses. There's no need to scrub really hard because you feel like you're being cleansed properly because of the pulsations in the Luna Mini 2. There's no need to like do some like crazy scrubbing action with the Luna Mini 2. You just gently glide it on your skin in these nice relaxing circular motions and it does the job just fine. And then there's a convenient timer that actually tells you when the Luna Mini 2 is done. And so it'll tell you when it's time to stop cleansing. All you have to do is rinse off your Luna Mini 2, rinse your face and dry it off and you are done. And then you can continue with your normal skincare routine. So here I am just applying my normal sunscreen and it is really that simple. So overall, my thoughts, this is a glowing review, like no lie. I have not found a single fault with this product in addition to it being just amazing for your skin health and for your mental health. It's also good for the environment because there's no need to throw away any brush heads or anything. The Luna Mini 2 is what you get. You can actually recharge this guy. And what's really great is that I've had it for over a month now and I haven't needed to charge it at all. It's been going strong, which I really appreciate because I think it's pretty annoying. You have to constantly be charging something. Like charging my phone is the most annoying thing. I never remember to do it. But with charging the Luna Mini 2, you really don't have to do it that often. The charge lasts for such a long time. So yeah, I am really excited about this video because it's the first time that I'm working with a brand sold at Sephora, which I think is just a huge deal. So if you want to support me and support my channel, I would really appreciate it if you did subscribe to my channel because it really does mean a lot to me. If you want to pick up a Luna Mini 2 or any other products from FOREO, which I haven't tried but I'm sure are just as good as this one, I will definitely leave a link in the info box down below for you to go click and check out. If you are thinking about buying the Luna Mini 2 and you're kind of on the fence, I would strongly encourage you to just make the investment. So basically those are all my thoughts on the Luna Mini 2 from FOREO. Honestly, like what are you waiting for? Go and buy yourself one because it is such a great investment for your skin and for your mental health. And so I strongly suggest that you go and pick one up because it's just amazing. So yeah, that's it for me. Thank you guys so much for watching and spending this time with me. Have a beautiful week and I will see you in my next video. Bye.